How to change a mobile number in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change a mobile number in Shopee. To change your mobile number, first open shopee.co.id in your web browser. Here, click on your profile from the top right corner. You will see the option of phone number right below the email address. You will have the number that you have entered previously. Click on it to open it. Here, add your new phone number and click on the next button. A verification code will be sent to your new number. You will need to add that code on the next page and your account verification will be done. This is how you can change mobile numbers in Shopee. After entering the verification code, you should be able to confirm the change of your mobile number. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once the mobile number change is confirmed, you will need to log in to Shopee using your new mobile number and existing password. If you encounter any issues during the process, or if you are unable to find the option to change your mobile number, consider contacting Shopee's customer support for personalized assistance. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.